To create contracts as a freelancer. Mary here. Every day nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos, pwede yung sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Yung question dito ni LOL, how to create contract for clients, currently for web development service. First time daw niyang gagawa. Since first time mo gagawa, I need to say this because it's very important. Walang bearing ang kontrata natin unless you have someone in the US na parang US counterpart mo, kasi hindi mo rin mahahabol yung client. Halimbawa, may kontrata kayo, nakadirect ka sa kanya, hindi siya nagbayad, hindi mo pa rin siya mahahabol just because may contract ka. I did raise this question nung may webinar ang likha na paano yun, pag hindi nagbayad yung client, wala nang habol. And it was well explained to us by Attorney Gino na, well, yung expenses mo sa paghahabol dun sa kliyente na nasa ibang bansa, may paraan naman. Pero yung expenses is, kung below siguro $5,000 yung hinahabol mo, it's just not worth it. Also, even though wala tayong habol sa client when it comes to, halimbawa, tumakbo sila at nakadirect na kayo sa kanila, I think it's still important to have contracts para you have your covered in case na meron sila mga disputes, ganyan. Now, let's talk about parts of contracts na kailangan meron para lang makover niyo siya pag mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siyang gawin. Number one, you have to have introduction. So, yung section na yon, it typically includes yung name, yung pangalan nyo or pangalan ng business nyo as a freelancer, contact information, both ng freelancer at saka ng client. And you also have to add date na papasok kayo doon sa kontrata. Secondly, scope of work. Tapos, syempre, dapat nandun yung payment terms. Dapat nandun yung intellectual property rights. And meron din dong, like, if they request for revisions and changes. Confidentiality. It's very important. May naalala naman akong kwento, pero mamaya ako nag-chismis yun. Confidentiality and non-disclosure. Termination clause, pagkatatapusin nyo na yung kontrata. Dispute resolution, independent contractor status, since freelancer tayo. Governing law. Maraming parts ito, and since hindi naman ako lawyer, I may not be the best person to give you like legal advice na pagdating sa kontrata. No? Yung binimension ko lang kung ano yung mga based on experience, ano yung mga nilalagay ko sa contracts. Now, paano nga ba gumawa ng kontrata if halimbawa kayo lang yung gagawa? I think I posted this 2 years ago, pero iulitin ko na lang yung pag-film kasi baka may bago. Step 1, open Google Chrome and then click nyo tong waffle icon. Click on Docs, click on Template Gallery. Guys, marami ditong template, so you might wanna explore this, but what we're looking for is freelancer engagement. This is by Upwork. You wanna click on Independent Contractor Agreement and Statement of Work. It'll then open 2 files. So, ganito na siya. May instruction na siya, overview. Babasahin nyo na lang yan and halos kumpleto na siya. Papalitan nyo na lang yung ibang information. Once you guys are done, all you have to do is click on File, Download, PDF. Go to Sign Secure app. If wala pa kayong guys account sa Unawa, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook tapos i-check nyo doon yung link para doon kayo mag-sign up kasi may referral dito. Pero wala pa namang premium, hindi ko alam. Basta ano lang, bragging rights lang na may nag-refer. Then i-refer ko kayo. Gusto nyo yun. So anyway, gawa kayo ng account dito sa Unawa. And ito talaga yung ginagamit ko guys sa lahat halos ng documents. Let me show you. So 135 documents na yung nagawa ko dyan. Ito waiting for signature. Ito yung na-complete na, closed na yan. Anyway, ganito guys yung dashboard niya. Hindi ko mapakitan lahat because kontrata talaga yung nandito dahil. Okay, so meron siyang dashboard, documents, safe form, light, signatures, FAQs, and all that. Now, just a heads up guys, sa Safe Form Lite, meron na rin kayong mga Unawa Starter Kit, Board Resolution, NDA, Quit Claim. So, kompleto talaga siya. Unawa, sana hopefully magkaroon kayo ng Independent Contractor Agreement dito sa Starter Kit nyo. Maitag na ang Unawa dito. Next is, pag meron na kayong account dito sa Sign Secure, all you have to do is, click on Create Document. Drag and drop nyo lang yung file na dinownload natin from Google. And then, click on See Detail. It'll then say Independent Contractor Agreement. Click on Next. Hindi ko pwedeng ipakita yung screen na to. So, basta ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, i-click nyo yung I am, the signatory, and then ilalagay nyo yung details nyo dito. Plus, click nyo yung Add Party. Pagkatapos, ilalagay nyo naman yung details ng client. Make sure na sa drop down, need to sign, and then click on na. Makakarating na kayo dito sa page na to. Now, for this one, all you have to do is, i-drag and drop nyo lang talaga kung sino yung pipirma. Dito sa taas, normally magkakaroon siya ng pangalan nyo at saka yung pangalan ng client. I-drag and drop nyo lang siya kung saan kailangan pumirma. For example, lang ha, page 2. Date, pwede kayong mag-ano ng date and time, pack, ganun lang siya. Super easy to use. Next, pangalan ninyo, so full name, drag and drop, pack. Di ba nalabas na siyang ganyan? I will try and film a full tutorial or siguro i-publish ko na lang in public yung tutorial na ginawa namin. But this is actually part of one of the trainings that we have, which is yung revamp, because it's a basic skill. Para sa akin, dapat marunong ka bago ka makagraduate ng revamp basic work from home training. Marunong kang gumawa ng kontrata, magpapirma ng kontrata and all that. Anyway, hindi ko kayang ipakita lahat because medyo strict to si TikTok pagdating sa mga ganitong documents. But ang pinakang huli nyo guys na pipindutin dito is eto, mag-yellow yung review and send. Pag naklik nyo na yan, magsisend na yan sa client. They will be notified via email na may nag-iintay ng signature nila. And then after that, yun na, may kontrata na. If you guys want me to like create a full video tutorial para lang hindi kayo mahirapan, gagawa na lang tayo ng client persona and all that, i-comment nyo na lang dito. Tapos siguro hindi ko dito i-share sa platform na to. Gawa ng medyo ano nga siya, sensitive siya sa mga ganito. Although, I believe may full tutorial na ako kung paano magpapirma ng kontrata sa YouTube ko. So, pumunta na lang kayo sa YouTube ko. And in any case na mag-film ako ng panibago, dito ko na rin lang ipopost para at least mapapakita ko sa inyo yung buong screen. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!